You need to hear this if you're a science enthusiast. Extinction might not be forever. Colossal Biosciences, a groundbreaking startup, has just reconstructed the genome of the Tasmanian tiger with an astonishing 99.99% accuracy. This feat was achieved by sequencing nearly 3 billion DNA bases using well-preserved specimens from the recently extinct predator. Now, here's where it gets wild. Scientists are comparing this reconstructed genome to that of the Tasmanian tiger's closest living relative, the fat-tailed dunnart. By using CRISPR technology, they plan to edit the dunnert's DNA, inserting key genes to create hybrid DNA. This hybrid DNA will be introduced into dunnart cells, transforming them into stem cells capable of developing into any type of tissue. Imagine, these stem cells will then be used to create embryos, which will be implanted into surrogate mothers. And get this, Colossal Biosciences is already isolating the crucial genes for the Tasmanian tiger's distinctive features, like its skull and jaw shape. While the timeline for the first reborn Tasmanian tiger remains under wraps, whispers suggest it could happen even before the anticipated 2028 return of the woolly mammoth. So, stay tuned. Extinction might just be temporary. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more out of this world news.